Hello students, now we are going to start Brain Teasers of chapter 3. So first question, tick the correct option. First is 0.225 expressed as a rational number is. This decimal number is expressed into rational number. We have to see which one is that rational number. So if we see it is 0.225. So I will solve here only 0. So we are going to write only the number right now 225. Okay, this one, and after point how many numbers are there? 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 numbers. So I will write 3 zeros. Okay, 225 upon 1000. Now we are going to reduce this number. So see here 5 is there, here 0. So both are going in 5 table. So keeping 5 in mind, 5 4s are 20, 2 gets carried 25. So 5 5s are 25. And here 5 2s are 10, 0 0. Next 5 9s are 45, 5 4s are 20, 5 zeros are 0. Further this is 9 and this is 40, they are not going in any table, same table. This is the lowest form, 9 upon 40. So see here we have 9 upon 40. Okay, so the correct option is this third one, 9 upon 40. Okay, now next question, a rational number p upon q, this is a rational number, can be expressed as a terminating decimal if q has no prime factor other than, q means what? The denominator. So already we have done that the denominator, if we want to express it as a terminating decimal, its factors should have 2 and 5. 2 or 5, only 2, only 5. Okay, so here so what are the options? 2 3, 2 5, 3 5, 2 3 5. So what is the correct answer? 2 5, because here 3 is there, here 3 is there, here 3 is there. So 3 should not be the factor in the of the denominator, only 2 or 5. Okay, so the correct answer is second one, 2 5. Next, minus 7 8 upon 100, this is a mixed fraction expressed as a decimal number is. Now this is what? A rational number, and answer is in decimal number. So we have to find the correct answer. So here what we'll do, we will write minus 7 as it is, right? Now here it is what? 8 upon 100. To convert into decimal, see here 2 zeros are there. So from here 2 places we will go forward, okay, backward. So 1 2, like here see 8 I wrote, 2 as 2 zeros are there, so 1 2. So here one more 0 is there, but 1 2, here the point will come. So it will be minus 7.08. Okay, so what is the answer? Fourth one, minus 7.08. Next, 4.01325 is equal to, now here if you say this 25 is having a bar sign on it, so it means 25 is repeated. Okay, recurring. So is equal to, so we have to find which ones. Here 4.013 same, again 25, and 25 is repeating, 25 25 25, right? Here only 5 is repeating, but here if you see upon 25 the bar sign is there, and here only 5 is repeating. Next here 325 01325 01325, this, and then this is repeating. Here if we see 2525 is 013, here see 013 013, and then 2525 is repeating. No, here only upon this, so this is the correct answer. Okay, so next, the quotient when 0.00639 is divided by 0.213 is. So when we divide this both, what is the quotient? What is the answer coming this from these options? Okay, so we will solve this in the notebook. Okay, so I wrote the question 0.00639 divided by 0.213, and I wrote it in rational form. Okay, so here down in the divisor denominator, after point how many numbers are there? 1 2 3. So we are going to multiply it by 1000 to remove this point. Okay, so up also we are going to multiply by 1000 only. So when we multiply, see these 3 zeros we are going to multiply. So 1, 2, 3, the point goes here, so it becomes 2, 1, 3. And here, see, point is here, 1, 2, 3. So point is going here. So it will become 6.39. Okay, 6.39. Now we have to divide both. Okay, so see, 213 we have to divide. If we see 213 into 3, we multiply, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. We get 639, right? But here what it is, 6 point. Okay, so I will show you and divide over. Okay, we will divide here only. 6, this is 6.39 divided by 213. So 213, now first is what, 6. So 6 is smaller than 213. So what we will write, zeros are 0 will come. 6 comes down. Now next is what, point. So point will go here. Next is what, 3. 3 comes down. So it becomes 63. Again 63 smaller than 213. So it will be 213, zeros are zeros. Then 63, 63 minus 0 is 63. Now 9 comes down. Right? So 213, this 3s are we did na. So 3s are 639. Okay. So what is the answer? 0.03. 0.03. So what is the correct option here? Third one, 0.03. Okay. So we have completed question number 1A. Next question. Answer the following questions. Without actual division, determine if minus 28 upon 250 is a terminating or non-terminating decimal number. So without division, we don't have to divide. We have done this earlier. We have to see the denominator, whether its factor is 2 or 5. On that we decide it is terminating or non-terminating. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it is minus 28 upon 250. Now here if we see, we can reduce this number. Okay, we can directly take out the factor, but sometimes like when it is going in same table, we have to reduce and then we have to find the factor of the denominator. So 28 upon 250 goes in 2 table. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. What I got? 14 upon 125. Now what I will write? The denominator is 125. So we are going to take the factor of 125. So how we will do? See this, 125. So 5 table it is going. 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25. Here 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So what we got? 5 into 5 into 5, right? So only 5 is there. Okay. So what is the criteria? The factor must have either 2 or 5 or both 2 or 5, but no other number. So we have 5 here. Okay. So you are going to write the prime factor of 125 is 5, right? Therefore, this question you can write minus 28 upon 250 is terminating. So it is what? Terminating. If you have 2 or 5 as the factor, it is terminating decimal. Okay, decimal number. Okay. Now next question. Convert minus 113 upon 7 to decimals. Now this is in rational number. This is a rational number, we have to convert it into decimal. So directly we are going to divide this. Okay. So we will divide this by long division method, 113 by 7. Okay. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 7 1s are 7. So 11 minus 7 is 4. This 3 comes down. So 7 6 are 42. 1. So there is no other number to carry down. So what we will do, we will give point. So we will get what? 0. Okay. So 7, again 1s are 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Now we have given the point. So what will come here? 0. 7 4s are 28. 30 minus 28 is what? 2. Again decimal point is there, so 0 will come. So 7 2s are 14 because 7 3s is 21. 21 is bigger number. So 20 minus 14 is what? 6. Again decimal point, so 0 will come. So 7 8s are 56 because 7 9s are 63. So 60 minus 56 is what? 4. Again decimal point, so 0 will come here. Okay, 7 5s are 35 because 7 6 is 42. So 7 5s are 35. 40 minus 35 is what? 5. Again decimal point, so 0 will come. Okay, then 7 7s are 49 will come. So I will write here 7, 1 minute. Okay, 7 7s are 49. So 50 minus 49 is what? 1. So if we see, we have already, see I have got here 1 and as decimal point is there, we got 0. So 10 I got, here previously also I got 10, see this one. Okay, 10 and here 10. Now then again everything is going to repeat. So from here again see 7 is there. So again 7 1s are 7 will come. So 7 minus 10 minus 7 will come what? This 3. So again everything is going to repeat. So this is from 142,857. Again here it will repeat 142,857,1. So we are going to stop here. So what is the answer we are going to write? 16.14. 1 minute. Okay, 142,857. And this bar sign I will give up. Okay, so this is the answer. Next question. What should be subtracted from minus 15.834 to get 3.476? Means there is a number here from which we are going to subtract this and the answer we will get 3.476. So we don't know that number and we have to find out. So we'll write let the number be x. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So what we will write? Let the number be x. Let the number be x. So what should be subtracted from this? So subtracted from, when I told you now, whenever it is that subtract from this, so this number we are going to write it first. Okay, so what it is? Minus 15.834, then minus with this minus x is equal to what we get? 3.476. So when we subtract these numbers, we'll get 3.476. So here we have to find the x. Now here it is in subtraction, right? So when it will go here, it will become plus. Okay, so minus x will remain as it is equal to 3.476 as it is we wrote. Now this minus 15.834, it goes here, it will become plus 15.834. Okay, now minus x as it is we wrote. Now we are going to add this. Okay, so here we will add 15.834 plus 3.476. 6 plus 4 10, 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11, 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13, 5 plus 3 8 9 and 1 19.31. So what we got? 19.31. This 0, it's okay, we not write. Okay, now here x value we got this, but this is minus x, we have to remove this. So when we remove the minus sign from the x, it goes here. So what it is? X is equal to minus 19.31 is the answer. Okay, so the number is minus 19.31. Okay, now next question. Express 4.82 as rational number in standard form. So this is in decimal form and we have to convert this into rational form and then to standard. Okay, we have to reduce the number, right? So 4.28. So let's start. Okay, now this is in decimal point 4.82. So what we will do? Only the number we will write 482. Okay, the number upon, after point how many numbers are there? 2. So we will give 2 zeros. Okay. Now we are going to reduce this number to get the rational number. Okay. So to get the standard form, sorry, this is the rational number. So if you see 2 0 is there, so this is going in 2 table. So keeping 2 table in mind, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now further, see 1 here and 0 here, they both are not going in same table. So this is the answer. This is the rational number in the lowest form, standard form. Okay. So it is 241 upon 50. Further we cannot reduce this. So this is the answer. Okay. Now next question. Find the value of 16.016 divided by 0.4. Both are in decimals. So we have to find the value. We have to find the answer, quotient. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So wrote the question. So 16.016 divided by 0.4. Now before dividing we have to remove this point from the denominator. So after point how many number is there? 1. So we are going to multiply by 1 0 only, that is 10. So up also will multiply by 10. So when we multiply, see this only 1 0 is there, so 1 point it will move forward. So it will become 4. And here only 1 0, so 1 point it will go here. So this will go here. So what will get? 160.16. Okay. Now we will divide this number. So keeping 4 table in mind, 4 1s are 4. Here also see 4 4s are 16. Then 0 comes, so 4 zeros are 0. Then what comes? Point. Then comes 1. So again 1 is smaller than 4. So 4 zeros are 0. Then 1 gets carried, becomes 16. So 4 4s are 16. So what we got? 40.04. If you are not able to divide like this, you can divide like this also. 160.16 divided by 4. Okay. So 4 4s are 16. This 0 comes down. So 4 zeros are 0. Then this point goes up here. Then what comes? This 1 will come down. Again 1 is smaller. This 1 is smaller than 4. So 4 zeros are 0, 1. Now this 6 comes down. So 4 4s are 16. Okay. So we got 40.04. 40.04 is the answer. Okay. So we have completed question number 1B. Okay. Now we are going to start question number 2 of Brain Teasers. Convert the following rational numbers into decimals. These are in rational form. We have to convert this into decimal. Okay. So let's start. So wrote the question 259 upon 3. So we are going to divide this. 259 by 3. Okay. Let's start. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. So 8. 3 8s are 24. 1 will come, 25 minus 24. This 9 comes down. So 3 6s are 18. 1. Okay. Now further we don't have any numbers, so we'll give point and 1 0 here. Okay. So 3 3s are 9. Again 1 is coming. 10 minus 9 is 1. So as point is already there, here 0 will come. So 3 3s are 9. Again 1 is coming. So here now we got that 3 is recurring. Okay. So what we'll write? Answer 86.3 we will write one time and put the bar sign on it. Okay. So 86.3 in the recurring. Okay. So we have converted this into decimal. Okay. Now next question. 19256. Okay. 19,256 upon 11. Okay. So let's divide by 11. Okay. So 11 1s are 11. So 8 will come. Then this 2 comes down. So 11 8s are 88 we cannot take. So 11 7s are 77. So 12 will reduce this. 7 will come. So it becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now this 5 comes, this is 7 minus 7, 0 here. 5 comes down, 55. So 11 5s are 55, 0 0. Okay. Now what comes down? This 6. Now 6 is smaller than 11. So what we'll write? 11 zeros are 0. Okay. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Now here no number is there further to take down. So what we'll give? We'll give the decimal point. So we'll get 0. Okay. So 11 5s are 55 we will take. Okay. So 60 minus 5 is 5. Okay. So as decimal point is there, so what will come here? 0. So 11 4s are 44. So 50 minus 44 is what? 6. Decimal point already there, so here it will come 0. So 11 5s are 55. Okay, 60 minus 5 is what? 5. Decimal point is there, so 0 will come. See, this is repeating, 60 60, now 50 50 again. So 11 4s are 44. Again see 6 is coming, right? So now it started repeating. What is repeating? 5 4 5 4 is repeating, right? So now what you are going to write? 1750. Okay, this point, then 5 4 will write and we will put the bar sign on it. So this is 5 4 is repeating. Okay. Now next question. Next question is 15735 upon 80. 1 minute. Okay. 15,735 upon 80. So now we will divide. Now here 80 is there. So we can count the table of 8 and we will going to put the 0. Now 15 we cannot take, we have to directly take 3 digit number 157. Okay. So 8, 81s are 80, 82s are 82s is what? 16. So if you take these three numbers, so 160 is bigger than 157. So we'll take 81s are 80. Okay, 7 minus 0 7, 15, 8 goes, 7 remains. Okay, 70. If you subtract 15 minus 8, 7 will come. Now next number is 3. 3 comes down, right? So 8 9s are 72, right? 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. So I will get 720. So I'll write 80 into 9 is 720. So 3, 7 minus 2 is 5, this 0, 53. Now what is there? 5, 5 comes down. Okay. So 535. Now 8 7s is 60, 8 7s is 56. 56. So 560 will get, it is bigger. So 8 6 will write. Okay. 8 6 is 480. Okay. So what comes down? 5. 13 minus 8 is what? 5. This 4 reduces, 0 we get. Now further we don't have any number to take down. So what we'll do? We'll give a point and 0 will come here. Okay. So again 8 6 we are going to take, because 8 7 is what? 56. 560 is bigger than this. So 8 6 480. Okay. So 0, 15, 8 goes 7 remains 4, 0. Okay. 15 minus 8 is 7. Got it? Now already point is there. So here comes 0. Okay. Now 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 6. 8 9s is what? 72. 8 9s are 72. If we take 72, it will become 720. 720 is bigger than 700. So we'll take 8 8s are 64. So 80 into 8. 80 into 8, 640. 0 minus 0, 0. 10, 70 minus 64 will get 6. Okay. Already we have given the point. So what will come here? 0. Okay. Now 8 8s are 64. So 640 is bigger than this 600. So we'll take 8 7s are 56. So 80 into 7 will get 560. Okay. So 0. 60 minus 56 is what? 4. Okay. If you subtract this, you will get 40. Now already point is there. So we'll give here 0. Okay. Now 8 5s is 40. So 80 into 5 we do, we get 400. So 80 into 5, 400. 0 0. So the division has stopped here. We got the remainder as 0. So what is the answer? 196.6875. 196.6875. Okay. Now next question. It is 27 upon 7. Okay. So we are going to divide 27 by 7. So we'll start from here and we'll continue here only. 27 divided by 7. So 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. So 7 3s are 21. So 20, what will come? 6. Now here further we don't have any number to bring it down. So we'll give you a decimal point. We'll get 0 over here. Okay. So 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63. 63 is bigger. So 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56 is what? 4. So already point is there. Here 0 will come. Okay. So 7 5s are 35 because 7 6 is 42. 42 is bigger than 40. So we'll take 7 5s are 35. So 40 minus 35 is what? 5. Already decimal points we will write 0. Okay. So 7 7s are 49 comes. 7 7s are 49. 50 minus 49 is what? 1. Already decimal point is there. So we will write 0. Now 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 14 is bigger. So 7 1s are 7. What we get? 3. Okay. I will continue this here. Okay. So what I will write this 3 here. Sorry for that. We are continuing here. 3. So point is there. So we'll get what? 0. So 7 3s are 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. So 7 4s are 28 we will write. So 30 minus 28 is what? 2. Okay. Now already point is there. So we'll give 0. Okay. So 7 2s are 14 we will write. So 20 minus 14 is what? 6. Okay. Now already point is there. So we get 0. So 7 8s are 56 because 7 9s is 63. 63 is bigger. So 60 minus 56 is what? 4. And already point is there. So it will become 0 here. 40. So if we see it is repeating, say 60 60 is repeating. 40 40 is repeating. Right. 7 what? 5s are 35 will come. See all it is repeating. What? 8 5. See 8 5. This has started repeating. So stop here and what is the answer? 3.857142 and this bar sign because again here 8 we are not going to write here because this is repeating from here. So it is 3.857142 and give the bar sign on this. Okay. Now next question. Okay. 758 upon 1250. 1250. Okay. Now this is bigger number than this. Okay. So let's start. 758 inside will write the numerator and outside the denominator, that is a divisor. Now this number is smaller than this. So 1250 are 0. So 758 comes down. There is no number. So we're going to give point and then 0 comes. Okay. Now 1250. Now we have to see 1250 0 is it, but if you see it is 125, right? So we can use the 125 ka table. So 125 into 6 we will see 6 5s are 30, 2 6 are 12, 15, 750 we get, right? And we have 758. So we'll take this 1250 into 6 is 750, 750 we already get and one more 0. See this one we put. So we get 7500. We subtract what we get? 80. Okay. Now already point is there. We will give what? 0. Now here we see 800 is smaller than 1250. So again 1250 are 0. So 800 comes down. As point is there, we will give here 0. Okay. Again 125 into 6 we get 750. Matlab 7500. Because the next the bigger number. Next, like 125 into 7 will be bigger than this. See, 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. 7 1s are 7 plus 1, 8. See, 875 means 875 0 will come. So 8750 is bigger than this, right? So we will take again 6 only. So 1250 into 6 is what? 7500. So what we get? 500 when we subtract. When we subtract this, we get 500. Okay. Now as point is there, so it will be 0. Okay. Now this is smaller number, so we will multiply. See, 125 into 5 is what? 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 625. It will become 6250, which is bigger than this. So we'll go for the lower number into 4. 4 5s are 20, 2 4s are 8, 9 10, 4 plus 1 5, 500 we got. So 1250 if we do, so we'll get 5000, right? So 1250 into 4. 1250 into 4, we get 5000. Okay. So we get the remainder as 0. So it stop over here. So what is this? 0.6064. 0.6064 is the answer. Okay. Now next question. 15625 upon 12. Okay. So we'll start here and we'll continue here only. 15625 divided by 12. Okay. So 12 ones are 12. So 15 minus 12 is 3. This 6 comes down, 36. Okay. So 12 3s are 36. 0. 36 minus 36, 0. So what is next? 2. 2 comes down. 2 is smaller than 12. So 12 zeros are 0. Okay. Next. What comes down? This 5. So it becomes 25. So 12 2s are 24. Now 25 minus 24 is what? 1. Now further we don't have any number to bring it down. So we will give a decimal point. So we get here 0. Now 10 is smaller than 12. So 12 zeros are 0. So what comes down? 10. Already we have a point. So here 0 will come. Okay. So now 12 8s are 96. 12 9s are 108. 108 is bigger. So 12 8s are 96. I will write here. I will continue this thing here. So 100 minus 96 is what? 4. When we subtract this, we get 4. So I wrote this 4 here. Okay. Now we have a decimal point. So here it will come 0. 40. Okay. So 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are 48. 48 is bigger. So 12 3s are 36 we wrote. When we subtract 40 minus 36, we get 4. Okay. So again decimal point is there. So 0 will come. So again 12 3s are 36. So 40 minus 36 is what? 4. Again decimal point, then 0. See now 4040 is repeating. So this 3 has started repeating. So we'll stop here. So what is the answer? 1302.08, and 3 we will write once, and upon 3 we will give the bar sign. So this is the answer, 1302.083. 3 is in repeating, recurring. Okay. So we have completed question number 2. Now we are going to start question number 3 of Brain Teasers. Find the decimal representation of the following rational numbers. These are the rational numbers. We have to convert this into decimal number. Okay. So let's start. So we have wrote the first question, minus 12 upon 13. Now we are going to do this by the long division method. Okay. And before that, previously, like we have done this, see, there's a 10 raised to x factor. If these numbers are there in the denominator, 2 or 5, 4, 25, 8, 125 or 16 or 625, we are going to use this method. Okay. If 2 is there, we are going to multiply by 5. So we'll be getting 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh in the denominators. Okay. 10 factor. Okay. Other than this, for these numbers, we are going to do by long division method. So here we don't have that numbers. So we are going to directly divide. So 12 I will write inside and the denominator 13 outside. Okay. Now here 12 is smaller than 13. So 13 zeros are 0. So 12 comes down. Now further we don't have any number to divide. So we'll give point and we get what? 0. Okay. So 13 table we must know. Now 13, how much are 120? So we do 13 nines are. Okay. So 9 threes are 27, 117 we get further, because 113 tens are 130. So 13 nines are what we get? 117. So when we subtract 10 minus 7, 3, only we 120 minus 117 we get 3. Already point is there, so what will come here? 0. So 13 twos is what? 26. Okay. So 30 minus 26, 4 we get. So point is there, so we will give 0. So 13 threes are 39. Okay. So 40 minus 31, 39 is what? 1. Already point is there, we give 0. Now 10 is smaller than 13. So what we will write? 13 zeros are 0. So what we get? 10. Now already point is there, we get what? 0. Okay. So 100. Now 13 8s are 13 sevens is what? 91. Okay. 3 sevens are 21, 7 plus 2 91. So 13 sevens are 91 when we subtract. Okay. So 100 minus 91, what we get? 9. Okay. So already point is there, we give 0. So 13 6 is 78. Okay. 6 3s are 18, 78. So 13 6 are 78. Okay. 12 we get when we subtract this. 10 minus 8 2, 8 minus 7 1. Okay. Now again point is there, so we will give what? 0. So already see 120 120 we are getting. So same 13 nines are 117. So what we get? 3. See, now it started repeating. Okay. So from 9 further it is going to repeat here. So we are stopping here. So what is the answer? 0.92307.6. This 9 we are not going to write, because from here it is going to repeat. So we are going to give the bar sign on this. So 0.92307.6. Okay. Now next question. Now one more thing. Here minus 12 upon. So what is the answer? Minus 0.923076. Okay. Minus sign is there. Okay. Now next question. Minus 1525 divided by 50. Okay. So now see, previously only I told you that. Now next question. Minus 1525 divided by 50. Okay. So previously I told you here, if you are getting these numbers 2, 5, 4, 25, 8, 125, 16, 625, we are going to multiply by each other. Okay. To get these numbers, factors of 10. Okay. So 5 is there. Here see 50. So if you multiply by 2 here, 50 into 2 will get 100. Okay. So we are going to do by the same method. So 1525 upon 50 we write, and if we multiply by 2, what will get? 100. 50 into 2 is 100. So here up also we are going to multiply it by 2. So we multiply by 2, what we get? 3050. Okay. So now we are going to write this number 3050. Okay. And below now how many zeros are there? 2. So we are going to put the point from the when we go backwards, 2 zeros. Okay. 2 zeros. So 1 and 2 here. So here point will come. So it is 30.50, and here in the question we have minus sign. So we are going to put the minus sign. So minus 30.50 is the answer. Okay. Now next question. 3.3, minus 127 upon 7. So denominator is 7. These are not among the numbers which I have shown. So what we will do? We will directly divide like this by the long division method. 127 I wrote numerator inside, denominator out. Okay. So now 7 1s are 7, because 7 2s is 14. So 7 1s are 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. This 7 comes down. 57. So 7 8s are 56. 57 minus 56 is what? 1. Okay. Now further we don't have any number to bring down, so we'll give the decimal point, we'll get 0 here. Okay. Again 7 1s are 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. We have given the point, so it becomes what? 30. Okay. Now 7 4s are 28. Okay. So 30 minus 28 is what? 2. So point is there. So what it becomes? 0. Now 7 3s are 21. 21 is bigger, so we'll take 7 2s are 14. So 20 minus 14 is what? 6. Already point is there, so we'll give 0. Okay. So 7 8s are 56, because 7 9s are 63. 63 is bigger, so we'll write 7 8s are 56. Now 60 minus 56 is what? 4. Already point is there, we will give 0. Okay. Now 7 5s are 35, because 7 6 is 42. 42 is bigger, so 7 5s are 35. 1 minute, lower it down. So 40 minus 35 is what? 5. Already point is there, so it will come 0 over here. Okay. Now 7 7s are 49. 50 minus 49 is 1. Already point is there, 0 will come. Okay. Now see what we have got. We have got 10, right? So this is repeating. So 7 1s are 7 we write. So what we get? 3. Point is there, so 0 comes. Now see 10 30. 10 30. It's repeating now. Na? So now we are going to stop here, because the same number will continue. 1 4 2 here. Right? So what is the answer? See, minus sign is there. So I'll write minus. Now 18.142857. Okay. So we stop up to 7, because again 1 is repeating here. So and we are going to give the bar sign. So what is minus 18.142857. Okay. Now next question. Okay. Next question 3.4. Minus 539 divided by 80. Okay. Now here in the denominator we say it is 88, or previously I told you that if these numbers are there, 2 5, 2 or 5, 4 25, 8 125, 16 625, then we are going to do that by this method. So here it is 8. We have 80 here. So we can do it. Okay. So we can multiply it by 125, because here 8 we were multiplying by 125, we get what? 1000, right? 8 multiplied by 125. See what? When we multiply 8 by 125, we get 1000, right? We get 1000. So 80 we are going to multiply by 125. So again I will write minus 539 upon 80 when we multiply it by 125. See, 8 into 125. So 80 into 125. Now 8 into 125, what we get? 1000, right? But here it is 80, one more 0 is there, so I will get 10,000, right? So down I am multiplied by 125, so up also will multiply by 125. So when we multiply 539 into 125, we get 67,375. Okay. So now we are going to give the decimal point. So here in the question we have minus sign. So I will write 67375. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. So from ones place I will start counting 4 numbers behind. Okay. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. Here the point will come. So it is minus 6.7375. Okay. Minus 6.7375 is the answer. Okay. So we have completed question number 3 of brain teasers.